According to David Durkin-Lee, rainfall simulation is a versatile and widely used to research rainfall runoff factors on hill slope surfaces in gully-prone areas, assessing the impact of natural rains on gully development in complex urban environment.
In this experiment, we're going to demonstrate the effects of rainfall on different types of soil, including
In this experiment, investigated the infiltration rate of water in tilled soil under a simulated rainfall event. A 750 ml of water was used as the rainfall source applied to a sample of tilled soil. The gallon container had a system in place to ensure the water was distributed evenly over the soil surface, simulating a more uniform rainfall. And it took 38 seconds for the water to start infiltrating the tilled soil.
only 300 milliliters of water is collected after the rain stopped. For the next sample, the black soil, we also used 750 milliliters of water as a rainfall source. 34 seconds elapsed before water began infiltrating the soil. 280 milliliters of water was collected as infiltrated water after the rainfall ceased. For the next sample, soil with leaves, we also used 750 milliliters of water as a rainfall source. It took 30 seconds for water to start infiltrating. 240 milliliters of water was collected as infiltrated water after the rainfall ceased. The last sample, untilled soil. We also used 750 milliliters of water as a rainfall source. It took 41 seconds for water to start infiltrating. 150 milliliters of water was collected as infiltrated water after the rainfall ceased. Our experiment explored how water soaks into different soil types under simulated rainfall. We learned that soil type significantly affects both how quickly water starts to infiltrate and how much water ultimately gets absorbed. The soil with good infiltration are less prone to erosion because less water runs off. Soils with poor infiltration are more prone to erosion because more water runs off. However, the grass in the untilled soil, while slowing infiltration, significantly reduces erosion by holding the soil together.